So since my drain bolt is underneath this hog, we're gonna this is how I got it on the stand here. Oh yeah, a little trick. Put it under your kicker, lift up on it, bang bang. Anyway, I'm gonna change the filter, put some new oil in her. Already warmed up a little bit. Don't be snorting at me over there. Oh yeah. So yeah, let me get started. Put some new oil in this heifer, and then yeah, filter. Tomorrow we'll throw the coolant in her, cause something's going on. She's overheating a little bit. If you guys have any idea why, what do you want? You want on the camera? You want part of the camera? Look. Anyway, I don't know why it's overheating. It's getting hot real quick, so I'm gonna try this new coolant. Maybe I don't think my coolant's there's enough in there because I don't even know if you guys are looking at me, but it doesn't. It runs weird. So I'm gonna try the coolant, go from there, diagnose some stuff. But yeah, let's get changing this oil real quick. Clean. It's not really terrible, but it ain't clean either. So she's due. She's due for it, boys. Yeah, some Slay. Yeah, DBK. That's what's up right there. Alright, I'm gonna get to changing this filter, boys. Be right back. We're just gonna pop these two bolts off here, these two 8s. Bang, bang. Pull the filter out. Slap the new one in there, wherever it is. Here she is right here. Yep. Oh. Yeah, dude, we got the 8mm in there, but dude, I ain't got the little socket. Gotta give her this treatment, boys. Oh, easy. Oh, easy, the Nux. Oh, we got the filter out. She's a little grimy. There's the freshie, boys. Let's throw her in. Alright, boys, we got the filter in. Some new oil in her. All cleaned up. Yeah. Tomorrow we will be doing the coolant. How we putting that Evans coolant in here. Some of this prep fluid. And we're going to be throwing the Evans coolant in there. And then we're going to be good to go. And it should be all cleaned up. So I'll catch you guys back tomorrow when I do that. And that'll probably be the end of this vlog for tomorrow. And then, yeah, more dirt bike vlogs to come, boys. What's up, guys? So, yeah, I was going to video putting the coolant in it the other day. But we had some friends over, and I was just like, I might as well just put it in, not put any cameras in anybody's face. But we got the new coolant in. She was running a little weird at first, but I think we got some kinks out of her. Took it for a little lap just a second ago. It's idling pretty good, or pretty well. And I think we're going to be ready to race next Sunday with the boys.
The gob.
Yeah, the old gob, trying to get a dub. That's how we out here doing it. She got new oil in it, new coolant, new oil filter. She's all cleaned up, chain's tight. It's ready to go. We'll catch you guys. There'll be definitely a video for the gob. That's going to be a big weekend. Last race of the year. Fun race. Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it. What are we doing, dude?
You filming?
Yeah, filming, bro. There's a little Jeep action here.
No, you didn't start it yet.
No, it started, dude.
Show me.
This is gonna be in there. We might go mud this thing.
Kill a horse. What?
Oh, can't say that on YouTube.
Oh.
That'll be cut. Yeah, about to do a little something here on the Jeep. We gotta fix some reverse light action here. All right, catch you guys in a minute. Is somebody here? Ripping a quad? What's that, 400EX? Sorry guys. Clean up the but anyway, yeah, we're gonna get into something here. Tell them what we're gonna get into here, man.
Alright, dude. So we got the hippopotamus right here, okay? So when we found out, you know, I'm backing out, we just got the fresh tint, you know? It's dark, okay? We're rolling 5% now.
5%.
So at nighttime, we're backing up. We can't see anything backing up. You know what? Someone pointed out to me at work one day, like, dude, you have no reverse lights. I'm like, whatever, you know. It's cool. But now that I'm too dark, it's hard to see when I'm backing up.
She's dark, guys.
So
She's dark. Can't
here's what we
see.
got going on, right? Last weekend I checked under the thing, and there's a little reverse light switch. It's on the transmission. This is the little plug that goes into it. Found out this wire here was completely snapped. So we had to get in there, wire it up again. We're about to wire it up. Throw a new fuse in there because I heard the fuse was, well, I didn't hear. I saw that the fuse was blown. So we're gonna give her a shot. We have some LEDs in the back here. Okay. So I don't know. Some LEDs are in there.
Some Mickeys.
Yeah, man. We got the Mickeys. I'm a huge Mickey fan, so you know.
There it is. Full send, boys.
Yeah.
Full send, boys.
We're gonna wire her up real quick. Might not take that long. It might take a while. We don't know.
Steed. We're heading down to the garage. A little easier to lay on stuff and get some stuff done.
Let me show you people what's up. So anybody that has a TJ Wrangler, specifically an 04, but I'm sure some of these are the same. It's a manual trans. So this thing is what I'm talking about here. You got a little reverse light switch, which will always be on the left side of the trans here for, like I said, this model with this transmission. I don't know if it's a 3500 if I'm mistaken. Don't roast me, I forget what it's called, but something like that. But then you'll get these two wires here, and that's what we're about to splice in to plug that puppy back in. Then we're gonna pop a fuse in. Nice, simple, quick job, but we'll get her done. Come on.
Let's go see this.
So, little trick for anybody that doesn't know this. This is a fuse right here, okay? These little puppies, they'll control your life if you know, it's little things. I probably could have not even did what I'm doing right now. And if I would have checked this to begin with, probably would have been good. So, in these Wranglers right here, the fuse for the light's gonna be in the glove box here. So you pop her down.
Whoa.
Whoa. Disconnect that little cord there. Pull that down so you can't see where I live. Then right here.
Dude.
Gotta grab. You got a light?
Let me get another shot.
So we got going on right here. There's the fuse for the box and the lights and everything. I don't know what all these do, but right here's the winner. So we'll show you what a blown fuse looks like compared to the normal good guy here. So right here, fuse number 7, okay? That's controlling the reverse light. So pop that puppy out. There you go. She's old. So right here, what we got going on, blown fuse. So I'm gonna show you what a good fuse looks like. Right here, we got the connected metal on the new one right here. As you can see on the old one, it's a little disconnected and it's blown up. So I'm gonna pop this new guy in. Maybe. She might not even fit.
Oh, she'll fit in
She
there.
fits, dude.
Oh, yeah.
It's the red one, so red tenor.
Ain't the green one.
Ain't the green one. We're gonna pop that in. We're gonna turn her on real quick.
Check the reverses.
We're just gonna check the reversers.
Alright. We ain't got no juice.
No way.
Ain't got no juice, man. No juice.
Alright.
Back to square one.
So what we're gonna try next, we're gonna try to switch the wires up, okay?
What?
Wait, I'm gonna get reverse.
Nah.
No, we still got nothing.
No
My
juice.
wire's backwards, maybe. We'll try it. Alright.
Well, we've ran into issues.
Crack it.
She keeps blowing. Cracking her, dude. Nah, she's clean.
Keep it simple here. We're blowing fuse number 7 instantaneously when the ignition turns on. So something's shorting it somewhere. This isn't going to be a 5-minute fix like I thought it was going to be. So we got to figure out what's triggering that fuse to blow. And yeah.
Big rips, man. Guess we'll have to look at all the wiring on this thing.
Now we just might go mudding.
Might go mudding. It'll be another day. We'll get it fixed. You guys will see it. Yeah. Look at these. He hooked it up with the old red.
Yeah, you know.
Clean.
Wanted to see what some spray paint was about. you know,
Cherry.
for a clown with no paint booth and just spray can.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
All right, let's go hit the mud. What's up, dude? Oh. Dude.
Whoa.
Dude, whoa. What's up, dude?
Hey, your horse is bitten. Does it ever live here?
Yeah, we out here. Oh. Little carb action. We gotta get this thing running by Sunday, boys. Gotta get it mint. We got a race coming up. It's the last race of the year, pretty much. Yo, Gob. It's gonna be it's an hour-long race. See, I don't really race this stuff. I race only a track usually, but this is like woods indoor track. This is like a huge thing, huge race to finish off the year. So we're just gonna go have fun and the steed. All right. Anyway, let's get it done here. I'll throw this car back together, see if it'll run right. I don't know. This thing has been running some weird lately, but we're gonna throw it. We're gonna throw it together here, dog. Let's get it. Oh yeah, dude, this is gonna be fun, dude. Yeah, boat. Yeah. Woo. Sweet.
I mean, that sounds better.
Sounds a lot better. Yeah, boom. We got some progress. We got some progress here.
It's a lot.
A lot of progress. I don't know how lighting. It might be alright back here. You can probably see us. But she's running good. She's running all right. We got some stuff we got to work on. She sounds a lot better, running better, but she's leaking some fuel, and we're just thinking the gasket's a little dirty.
Dirty.
So we're gonna clean her up, and Saturday we'll clean it up. Hopefully it stops leaking, and give you guys a couple rip sessions in the field before we go race. If it's muddy, we might be heading up there just to get some vloggers in for you guys, but might not be racing. Might be a mud fest
We
there.
got some graphics on the way. Okay, just got confirmation. Moto Pro's hooking us up with some nice looking graphics. And then she's done. The only thing we have left is get the suspension reworked. That's it. But
Yeah.
that's not for a while because I actually like how it feels.
Getting her cleaned up, getting the bikes dialed in. That's how it is. Woo! Steed.
Wintertime, looking good. The old Hon Dog's gone.
Yeah, boys. We'll probably catch you Saturday. I don't know. Probably won't get no footy tomorrow, but Saturday we'll get some more footy for you guys. What's up, guys? Hold on, let me get some light. All right. So, got a little ride day in. Not really, like just a little bit, like half hour practice in. We're gonna go wash the bikes up now, get them all clean looking, nice and steezy. Yeah, dude, we gotta go get some bolts because two strokes rattle the bolts out of every bike.
I basically ride it hard, so
And then we gotta get some grub.
comes out.
So we're gonna get some grub, clean the bikes off. Probably get some footy of the bikes getting cleaned off, and then yeah, load them up. Tomorrow's race day. Yeah, buddy, race day, dude. Let's get it, baby. Woo!
Well, welcome back, yo, gang. We're out here, late night, getting ready for the gobbler tomorrow.
Late night, boys.
Gobbler. I'm gonna wash the bikes up because you don't want to show up to a muddy race looking like this. You can, but we don't really want to. So it's about 14 degrees outside. Bikes are gonna freeze overnight. Excuse me. But yeah, that's the plan for right now, right?
That's it, man. Try to get some dubs tomorrow. Nice.
Yeah. Well,
Give it a shot.
yeah. It's gonna be cold.
Be freezing.
It's getting too cold.